How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. It's me Chandra, Directors of Playgroup from the Educators Talu Class Campus. Student, we are back again with virtual classes, and today what we are going to learn, you will come to know later. First, what we do, we always start our class with the holy name of Allah. So fold your arms and recite Tauz, A'udhu, Billahi, Minash Shaitan, Nirajim. Translation, I seek the refuge to Allah from Shaitan, the outcast. Now recite Tasmiyah. Tasmiyah, Bismillah, Rahman, Rahim. Translation, with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the Lord of mercy. Now students, raise your hands for dua. Dua for increasing knowledge. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. ए मेरे रब मेरे इल्म में इजाफा फरमा. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Ameen. So students, today what we are going to learn? Let's learn numbers again. So students, look what is here. Here is a car. Car. How many cars are there? Let's count. Oh, it's only one. See, this here is one car. This is number 1. 1. And now here are two very cute kittens. 1, 2. How many kittens? 2 kittens. 1 and 2. So see which number is there. Here is number 2. And now here are some delicious juicy mangoes. Let's count how many they are. 1, 2, 3. How many mangoes, students? 3 mangoes. Let's see, the number is written here. Here is number 3. And now students, here are some bicycles. You have to count how many these are. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bicycles? 4. Let's see the number 4. This is number 4. And now here are some tasty spicy burgers. Let's student count them. How many these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many burgers? 5 burgers. And which number is this? 5. Number 5. Now students see. Now see students, there are some watches. Count them. How many these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many watches? 6. Which number is this? 6. Oh, see what is here. There are some ants. Count how many these are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 7. Which number is this? 7. And now students, here are some pears. Very fresh pears. Count how many these are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many pears? 8. 8 pears. And now here are some beautiful gorgeous dolls. Count how many these are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many dolls? 9 dolls. Which number is this? Number 9. Now see students, there are some balls. Count them. How many these are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many balls? 10. Which number is this? 1, 0, 10. So the next number we are going to learn today is number 10. 1, 0, 10. It is very simple to write. First you have to color the number 10. What you do for coloring, first you have to draw border lines and then you will color. This is the way of coloring, and then left and right strokes, up and down strokes. So you will color the number 10. And now let's count balls with me. How many these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many balls, students? 10 balls. Now we have to learn writing number 10. First you have to trace number 10. How you will trace? Tracing should be very perfect. You have to trace on the tracing dots. 1 is a standing line. And a 0. 0 is like a circle. 1, 0, 10. In this way you will trace all numbers, and here at last it is here free hand writing. You have to write here by yourself, and it is not very difficult. You can write. Draw a standing line. This is number 1, and draw a circle. This is 0. 1, 0 becomes 10. So students, you will do this page worksheet as I have told you, and this tracing and writing number 10. And on next page you have to write 1 till 10. This is freehand writing, and how you can write this, it is very simple. Write numbers 1 till 10. And on other page, here is an exercise. You have to circle the small objects and color the big objects, and I will tell you how to do this. And at last, here are some basic shapes. First is circle, other is square. You have to color the circle with red color and color the square with blue. So here you will learn writing number 10, 1 till 10. So first you will find dots here. You have to start from the dots. 1, what comes after 1? 2. Draw a curved line and a sleeping line. And after 2, what comes? 3. Draw a curved line and again a curved line. What comes after 3? 4. Short standing line, short sleeping line, and long standing line. And what comes after 4? 5. Draw a sleeping line, short line down, and a half circle. This is number 5. What comes after 5? 6. Draw a curved line and make a circle. This is number 6. What comes after 7? 7 is very easy. Draw a sleeping line and a cross down line. And what comes after 7? 8. And it is also very simple. You will write like this. It is an easy way to write number 8. 8. What comes after 8? 9. A standing line and a curved line. What comes after 9 at last? 10. 1, 0, 10. So the next work is circle the small object and color the big object. Students, you have to see there are some objects given, like there are 2 balls. You have to see which one is big. So this is big. You will color this. You have to color the big object. Draw border line and color. And this is small. You will circle this. See the in next row. Which object is this? There are 2 ducks. You have to find the big one. Which one is big? This one is big. You will color the big duck and circle on small. And at last there are 2 lamps. You have to see which one is bigger. This one is bigger, so this should be colored. And this one is smaller, so circle on small lamp. So the last work is color the circle red and square blue. There are 2 basic shapes. This is circle and this is square. So you have to color the circle red. You will color the circle with red color. Draw a border line and then color the circle. And what color is required for square? Blue. Color the square blue. So color the square with blue color, draw border line and complete the coloring. Students, now I have an interesting story for all of you. See, what is this? What can you see, students? There is a house. Whose house is this? Here lives a rabbit. Rabbit has shifted in this house newly. Rabbit has shifted his house, and see, students, what is the house number of rabbit? 2, 3, 23. What is the house number of rabbit? 2, 3, 23. As you know, rabbit has shifted here newly, so he has no friend over here. So he wants to make friend. So he has invited all his friends at his home in a party. Now when he has invited all friends, so when the rabbit was cleaning his house, it was cleaning. So during cleaning, what happened? His house number fell down. So the rabbit was a bit worried about this, and what he did, and he set the number. Then he set the number like this. So now, students, now he is at home. He is waiting for his friends, that all friends will come, as the sparrow and other birds and a turtle and a fox. All these animals were invited at his home. But what happened, students? The time was getting over and the rabbit was waiting for all of them, but none came on his house. And what was the reason? So the rabbit went out of his house, and he saw all the animals are going somewhere with having some gifts and party poppers with them. All the birds and animals were going in a party, but they did not come to his house. Then the rabbit asked to all these animals that where you all are going. The all animals replied that we are going in a party it's on a rabbit's house. So rabbit says, it's my house. So all the animals says, but your house number is 32. See, this is 3 to 32. But we have got invitation for the house number 23. So that time rabbit came to know what was the mistake done by him. He saw when he was cleaning his house. Students, did you see what was the mistake of rabbit? When he was cleaning his house and his house plate fell down. So how did he set his numbers? It was like this first. 2, 3, 23, and when the rabbit it fell down and rabbit set them again, so he set this like this, 3 to 32, so it became 32. So this was the mistake done by rabbit. So all animals were laughing with rabbit on his mistake. So all animals were laughing on with rabbit, and rabbit was also a bit shy, but he was happy that he came to know about his mistake. Then all animals, birds came to rabbit's house and they all had a party. So students, hope you enjoyed the story and you have understood your working. So do your work, keep learning, stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.